Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fix the problem that you might be having with Odoo if your product variants are not showing up in the cart. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Odoo forums right here at odoo.com. This is going to go ahead and open up the main website. From this homepage, the first thing we can do is go ahead and log into our account. In the upper right corner, if you do not already have an account, you can just go and create one. If you have one, you can just go and log in normally. So after logging in, this is going to be the homepage. From this homepage in the upper left corner, we can get started accessing the editor mode, from where we have the configuration tab, site settings, and so on. So let's go and take a look at what to do if our product variants are not showing. So as you can see right here on the official Odoo forums, we already have somebody asking the same question on optional products not showing when adding a product to cart and our variants not showing. So what you want to do is check if website sale product configurator is installed. This is an answer by somebody who is more knowledgeable about Odoo and who is the developer right here. So you're going to go to the configuration tab right here at the top of the screen, click on apps and find this module he is talking about. So we have the sale product configurator and the website sale product configurator that you can search for right here in the store and get started installing for yourself. So what I suggest for you to do is go to the official Odoo forums right here and go ahead and take a look at the replies by all the people who know about Odoo. You can follow the steps step by step to go ahead and see how to fix it, and this is your best choice even if you want to go ahead and post a thread for yourself so somebody else can help you out. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.